Hello everyone, this is Professor Eskew and welcome to your tour of our class Canvas course shell. If you come over to the left hand side of the course shell, you will notice that there is what we call a Canvas Global Navigation menu. These icons will link you to resources outside of our course. If you look at the first one where my picture is and it says account, here is where you can access your Canvas profile and you can add a photo or add your bio. The next one is the dashboard. This dashboard and below here will list all of your courses. So if we click dashboard, you will see a set of tiles that have to do with all of your courses. Our course is Accounting 101-503. You can also click courses this manner and you simply get a list of courses. And you, for our course, click here, Accounting 101-503. There is a calendar. The calendar will give you information on due dates for assignments, quizzes, discussion boards. And then this icon is the inbox. If you need to send an email to me or anyone else in the course, simply click on the inbox and on the click on the icon with the pencil to compose a new message. Here you can select the course. In our case, it would be Accounting 101-503. But I'm going to put this in our sample. Then you can either simply start typing a name or you can click on the people icon and it will list everyone in my sandbox or the instructors. What I'm going to do is simply start typing and my name comes up. Put in a subject of your email. In your subject, please put that you are in Accounting 101-503. But in this case, we'll do test and then come down in the text box and type your message. Once you're finished with your message, simply click on Send. If you choose to have Canvas messages delivered to your email, you can reply to any message sent to you via Canvas directly from your email account. We can go back and forth then in a conversation using Canvas or email. At the bottom of the global navigation menu is an important resource, the Help button. When you click on the question mark, a dialog box opens with help options, including a direct emailing to me and links to phone support and the Canvas guide, as well as the online learning support. If you click on your dashboard, and you look on the right side of the screen, you will see a to-do list that changes as assignments and gradings comes and goes. Now let's focus on our course. You have a course menu next to the global one, and you can hide this if you wish. Here you will find all of the essentials: announcements, quizzes, discussions, assignments, grades, etc. The syllabus feature is where you will find a copy of the course syllabus and a tentative course schedule. The modules is like a table of contents for the modules. From here, you can move directly to any page, activity, or assignment that is open in the course. Once you have finished, you can click the Next button to move through the resources and activities. That's a quick tour of our Canvas shell. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me through the inbox. I hope you're excited about the course, and we'll see you very soon. Have a great day.